What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, it's Sunday nights, which means we're moments away from being able to get back in our bag and do what we do. Listen to this. If you guys ready to make some money this week, let me know down in the comments below, guys. I'm looking forward to starting the week off with a bang. This video is going to set the stage for that, okay? Without further ado, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. Let's go ahead and dive into it, guys. I'm kicking it off, loving on the family. This one is from V. He said, "Good morning, coach. Rinse and repeat on Tesla. I had a 170 put. As soon as support broke, I bought 50 contracts and made $3,200 in 10 minutes. Guys, this is what we call around here being surgical. Sniper game, tap in. I want to say major salute, V. Keep up the good work, guys. I got another one, Catherine. If you see this, I want you to know, I know I text you back when you text me on a pretty regular basis, but I am so proud of you on so many levels. Every day you text me with a base hit. When you build your foundation on solid ground, guys, you can't help but to have a home that could withstand the storm. Don't let that go over your head. Catherine is a person guys, I got all your, I keep every text message I got from every one of you. I keep our thread. I always have receipts. I always have real live testimonials from you guys. And so I have every one of her victories, every one of her struggles right here. So I can see you guys' maturation. I can see you guys' progress. And I couldn't be more proud of you, Catherine, with the consistency I see. And guys, for y'all that ain't in our game room like that, she consistently now is making money in both directions. She's still taking it slow. She's still, again, making sure she's fine-tuning her skills, but she's making money when it go up, and then she don't hesitate to put the smack down on the market when it goes down. I'm so proud of her. I just had to let her know, okay? Now listen to this, guys, really quickly. Then I got a lesson on you guys, so take notes today. On Wednesday, write this down. Wednesday at 8:30, we're going to get hit with the UWAP. Look at this. We got core PPI coming out, okay? The UWAP just simply means they're going to insert an influx of volatility, okay? And so you guys know about CPI and PPI, okay? So again, look for Wednesday in this time period. Now, this will be before market open, so you can adjust, or as I often say, react to what you see when the market shifts off of how this comes out, okay? It'll give us a good barometer on the producer price index and what manufacturers are doing and dealing with and struggles they're having on their end. All right, now listen to this, guys. Really quick lesson I'm going to teach you all today. All right, I always try to prepare you all for, again, learning, number one, how to make money in both directions. So around here, you need to embrace that. You can focus on one direction while you got the training wheels on, but eventually when we pull them off, I want you guys to be comfortable making money in both directions. Now today, I'm going to teach you about Delta. Write this down. Today, I'm going to teach you about which Delta you need to choose when you're doing long dated plays or leaps or long dated calls is what I call them. 6 months or a year out, okay? I want you guys to follow this. So look, I got Meta pulled up here, okay? Follow my screen. I don't care what platform you use, okay? I want you to look for these numbers. The numbers in the Delta matters. A lot of you guys, Wall Street has so many traps in place. There's so much I got to teach you guys. One of the traps is, look at this real quick, all right? One of the traps, I'll just show you one right here. A lot of people sometimes look at this premium, 475. Look at 472. Some people will go and choose something like 14 cent, 525, 14 cent, thinking, oh, I can afford that, but not understanding it won't move. Let's look at the Delta on this. Look at bottom of the screen, everybody. Look at the Delta. 0.0170. This play is not going to move. But if you don't know what Delta is, then you will be picking a play because it was cheap, but it's never going to move. And then you just flush money down the toilet. This is a trick on Wall Street. Follow my screen. Everybody go out a year. You can do this 6 months. I want to teach you how to properly do leaps or long dated calls. All right. Now look at this. We are going to scroll down. The current price in the middle says 4741. Okay. $474.41. All right. I'm going to take you down the option chain. We are buying a call in this. All right. Now we're gonna do this as a family when the time is right. Okay. We should have did it when earnings came and they dropped, but I'm just teaching you this today. Get ready for our next play. It might not be meta, but get ready for our next play because it will be this delta. All right. Now let me just click on a couple just so I can get you guys to see the lesson. Look at this delta. Look at down at the bottom where it says Greeks. Write this down so I can teach you what this means. Okay. This ain't bad, but this ain't 80. 0.70. We need 0.80. All right, now watch this. Okay. This one is 0.74. Okay. I just want to get you guys to see this. This one is 0.79. That's pretty close. All right. When you do your leaps or your long dated calls, boom, you need to choose the 400 strike price. Okay, look at the delta on this. 0.8019. Let me know, do everybody see this? Write this down. Everybody write this down. I'm teaching you something because this stuff gets overlooked in your trading. People be talking about how they're making money and showing their wins, but you don't even know what they're choosing, or they might even know what they're choosing because they don't even know about this. Okay, you want to choose a delta of 80. So anywhere from 80 to 90 is superb. If you got any play with a delta of 80 to 90, that is a superb play. Okay, this is the Meta 400 call for January 17, 2025. This is the one you would choose. Okay, now listen to this. You can look for something similar on your regular trades. Now that I'm teaching you deltas, write this down. 80 that's just the ideal sweet spot. But listen to this. 54 is the lowest you should go. So 54, 64, 74, anywhere in that range, if you're doing shorter plays, is decent. You listen to what I said, shorter plays. But for long plays, like if you said, Coach, the stock I like just dropped on earnings, okay, I'm going to say what you want to do. Man, I think it's going to go back up over the next 6 months. Boom, I agree. What should I do? In this event, you would go out a year or longer. But when you get to the play, you go through every option chain, okay, guys? And then you go down and look for the delta of 0.80. If you can find that play, okay, you are going to make a killing when it goes up. So listen to this. What does 0.80 mean? For every $1 the stock go up, your option go up 80 points or 80 cents, okay? And then when you get to... when this get to 100, it's just lights out. You just make money hand. You ever heard of the eighth wonder of the world or compound interest? This is how people get a 4,000% play, because once this go up 20 points, it just do something magical. So keep this in mind. I know people ain't gonna show you this, and a lot of people won't tell you this, guys, but 80 delta is what you want to shoot for. Okay, that's your sweet spot. If you can get higher than that and you can afford that, that's better. But if you need to know which option do I choose based on the delta, okay, this is mean how much it go up. Every dollar it go up, you gonna make 80 cents. So imagine me, okay, when I buy my 100 contracts or my 200 contracts, when I remember I teach you guys a $1 move is all you need. A $5 move is a double up. You know, when I say that kind of stuff, because my deltas be through the roof. Okay, so my moves don't have to, remember I say I don't hold all day. I don't have to be in the market all day like other traders do, because they don't most necessarily know about the right delta to choose. 0.80, write this down, is the delta you choose, especially if you got to play. It's best to do it when you see a stock fall Think about Meta. That's why I'm teaching you guys and showing you this one. But say something gets smacked down on earnings, but you know, like they beat earnings, but the stock went down. So use that scenario, okay, for me. You run to your option chain, you push it way, way, way far out, okay? And you scroll all the way down till you find 0.80, and then you choose that play. As long as it's a good company, the fundamentals are sound, you got a good technical setup on the chart for a bounce back or recovery, you are going to print. All right. I know that's some hidden gems. Most people won't show you, won't tell you, won't teach you, but it's different over here. Okay. It's different around here. I'm invested in seeing you win. Why? So I can celebrate and love on you guys. Listen, man, hopefully you like today's lesson. If you do, remember we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.